That's somebody came off of someone's bike.
Good morning. It's sunny weather today. We're gonna go biking at Green Timbers Park. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like going around. Okay? See you there. Green Timbers. Whee! Nice and cool down here. Fresh air. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go to the main entrance first. To the left. So this is the main entrance for the Green Timbers Park, where you can park your car. See, this is the Green Timbers. I'll show you the lake. This is the Green Timbers Lake. Green Timbers Lake. Okay, let's go around. Quite relaxing, right? Okay, let's go here. Some people are fishing here. I have not tried fishing here yet. I don't know what kind of fish is here. See, people fishing. So many of them. Oh, I have not seen any fish so far, but if they did catch one, they always throw it back. That's what we call catch and release. Let's go to the right. Whoa. Whoa.